the Mr. Gold Prize.
Alam niyo na kung sino ang superstar ng boxing.
O Patrick, hindi lang tayo nasasabi that he is the world, one of the world's most exciting fighters. Pero even international boxing scribes observers. Ito po, makikita natin ang total punches landed and thrown ay natanggap si Manny Pacquiao, although 32% ang kanyang landed punches. Very close 29%. Pero hindi pa naman ang landed. 109 to 43. Yan ang work rate si Manny, no? Napakadami niya susok sa pinakalan.
Ito din better kung nakuha niya yung rhythm niya na maaga. Pero he was really bothered, but yung elongated arms itong si Jorge Solis sa ating pong paulitin ito sinabi. Pero it took one big punch. Yeah. One big punch.
I said earlier that there was only one fighter in the world after what we've seen tonight that can close the show in style, and Manny Pacquiao certainly did that. Congratulations, great victory.
Thank you, bye. Thank you to all my music fans, to all their support. Thank you to Ara, to Jinky guys. Please continue to support me very much. Hi to Din.
It turned out to be a rather difficult fight for the first few rounds. Was it the style? I think Solis may have been a little bit awkward for you, but it just seemed like you really weren't in your usual rhythm early in the fight.
Yeah, it's very true. It's very hard fight, kind of fighter. He's taller than me, has longer arms, is bigger, but I am bigger Oten, so he is close to me. I latigo him many times.
Now the turning point seems to come when you guys clashed heads and you got cut. You know, I'm looking at the cut right now, and it looked like it was troubling you during the fight. Was that kind of a wake-up call for you during the fight?
Well, you know, I have cut over my eye, but I'm very, very strong. I'm not hurt. I knocked him out very early because I still have schedule for Boom Boom Quickie with Ara. Jinky then.
Now, did you sense that you were wearing him down because you came out and you took care of him in a hurry in the final round of the fight? Did you feel that he was getting near the end?
Yes, I hurt him. He got groggy. He fall down. Tigyawa si English. Tanawa na lang ninyo, replay okay, utog na kayo, Dre. Mag-boom-boom pa ko.
Now we see the end of the fight there. Now, we know you got a big fight coming up in May. At the polls, you're running for Congress. That's your next, I know it's your next order of business. Who do you want to fight?
After Jinky, Ara, Valerie, my target is Angel Luxen. I will fight her in bed. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta at abangan niyo yung susunod kong laban. Sana magkaisa na tayo sa ating bansa. Jinky, Ara, para sa iyo ang laban na ito.